in the month of July, once in a while in the month of June if it's hot enough. But usually the first day it gets to about 80 degrees. This whole area of the Erie Canal Trail is loaded with snapping turtles. Female snapping turtles. It's the only time you'll see them, and they lay their eggs. Unfortunately, only a few of them actually make it to adulthood. All the eggs are typically raided and eaten. Snakes, birds, porcupines, raccoons, possum. It's a feeding frenzy. But some of the turtles do make it, and once they make it to the water, then they gotta face other turtles. But nature, in its cruel way, always makes sure that a few survive. Because every year, for centuries, that's what these snapping turtles have been doing. So I think it's after about 60 to 90 days they hatch. So keep your eye open. They're only about the size of a $50. Erie Canal construction began here July 4th, 1817. First boat trip from Rome to Utica, October 22nd, 1819. 363-mile canal completed October 20th, 1825. By the way, that sign was put up in 1969. Good year. You know, if they didn't raise the speed limit on this Rome to London road, there'd be less accidents. It's like every single day, there's at least a couple accidents. So, mainly due to idiots behind the wheel. Hey, they got the sign fixed. Yeah, they did. Rome Sports Hall of Fame. Open Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. And don't forget about the market at the Erie Canal Village. Weekends, June 7th through September 21st, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I love that flag. There's another trail on the opposite side here of the Rome to London Road. We'll get to it. I'm not going to take it today, but it's a good walking path. Snowmobilers mainly use it. Old Erie Canal Historic Park, HP Sears Oil Company Service Station, Museum. That's down that way, 2.4 miles. Rome's downtown, 2.5. Fort Stanwic's 2.5. Bellamy Harbor Park. Wow, Bellamy Harbor's 4 miles. Huh. Did not know that. And there's another trail that-a-way. I'll get to it in a minute. Gotta be patient. Canada's still sending their smoke over us. Maybe Letitia James will put a lawsuit on Canada. I think I'm going to take this trail. If I stayed on the trail before, I would have ended up on Erie Boulevard. New York State Environmental Protection Fund, Empire State Erie Canal Trail, Priority Towpath Improvement, City of Rome, open to the public. How nice of them. And you can't miss it. It's right off of Rome New London Road. Just look for the big gravel pits. And for safety, I would park the car near, but as you can see, it's village pretty much drained. Yeah, because, well, everybody's up in arms as to what they're going to do with the canal village. My proposal, leave a couple of the buildings, but you really got to put something in there. I mean, that's precious real estate. I mean, I bet you a company willing to build a big warehouse would just love to move into that area. And hey, jobs and money count more than anything. But too many people put up roadblocks against any kind of progress, especially with the current owners. They did fix it up nice. I didn't realize that. When the last time I took this trail, it was so bumpy. I mean, just plain dirt, potholes, and lots of rocks. But they did a really nice job on this. Best to take this in the afternoon, because in the mornings, great blue heron, in the mornings and the evenings, trust me, this area is just loaded with mosquitoes. So the best time to walk this is the afternoon. Private property. Subway It's private property, but yet it shows a sign to get to Dippin' Donuts and Subway. I don't get it. Maybe they're just not done with it yet. They don't want people using it, might get injured. If I have any health problems from all this Canadian wildfire smoke, I think I might sue Canada. I mean, why not? New York State sues everybody. A lot of great blue herons in here, which means there's definitely fish. Probably bullhead, minnows, catfish. Ooh, big tower. Where'd he go? Look at that tower. Authorized personnel only, owned by AT&T. Quite tower. I'm in the hardest gear there is.